Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Google Sheets that is so long that the text stays inside your cells rather than running across your spreadsheet. So what I literally just said just shows up across multiple columns right here, and we want it to stay within one cell. So once you have your worksheet open, you want to go ahead and highlight the cell or the group of cells that has the text that we want to wrap. So we want to go ahead and wrap A1. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Then you're going to go ahead to your top toolbar up here and you're going to look for the text wrapping. When you click on it, you're going to see three options. There's Overflow, which will allow the text to continue in the empty cells next to it, which is what is happening right here. Then you can go ahead and click Wrap, which will move the text onto multiple lines so it stays within the same width of the cell. So this is what it looks like. So it does not expand column A at all. It just increases the row length. And then we have Clip, and Clip gets rid of anything that doesn't fit inside of the cell. It'll still keep all of your text in there, however, it'll just not make it visible from this point of view right here. There's another way you can go about it, is just highlighting the cell that you want, and then you can go to Format at the top, and then there's Wrapping, and then the Overflow, Wrap, or Clip options right over here. You can also select the whole column, and you could do it the same way. And everything that you highlighted will wrap, and that will also work for the whole file if you click the corner. And if we wrap the whole thing, the whole file will be wrapped. If this video did help you out, please drop a like, consider subscribing if you're new. Have a good one.